Hello traders, I am showing you my profit so you can understand how much I have made using this strategy. You can also use same strategy and make money. Let's go to the strategy. So today I'm going to share with Forex best strategy. But first we open GBP/CHF in H1 time frame. This strategy we need Fisher indicator. With change sum setting. Fisher indicator. Blue color line is a Fisher line, and orange color line is a trigger line. If market cross overbought level downward, then we take a sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation, we place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If market cross oversold level upward, then we take a buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation, we place buy trade here. We set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.